So it's day 10, I think. It's Saturday, isn't it? I think.
Should be.
And maybe. And basically done nothing all day. Got up at, I think, 12 something?
Yeah. 12-ish.
12-ish. And yeah, I've been doing nothing for the last 6 hours, so now I'm going to make some cookies. Meant to be the Millie's cookie recipe that I've just googled. Quite a bit of sugar and butter. More sugar in here. Deviated from the recipe slightly and added some almonds. Here we have the cookie dough. Then, what maak je?
Zuurvlees. This is zuurvlees.
Oh, zuurvlees.
Yes, oldest recipe of the Dutch Netherlands.
The Dutch Netherlands.
For the motherland.
It's the Republic of the Dutch Netherlands.
The People's Republic of the Dutch Netherlands.
Yes.
For the king.
The koning.
This is dead animals.
Uh-huh.
See?
Ja, ja.
Yes. Dead animals, dead water, dead plants.
Ja. En wat doe je?
Frying.
Ah.
Fry for a long time.
Ja.
Very good.
Very goed?
Yes. Then add water.
Ah, ja.
Water makes it nice and soggy.
Ja.
Yes. It falls apart.
Ja.
It's very good.
Ja? Heerlijk.
The peperkoek
De peperkoek?
is not made with pepper.
Nee.
No pepper.
Ah.
But,
Nee.
but it's called pepperkoek. So the bread you make with cinnamon and cloves and all other spices, so it gets that nice brown look and a really nice taste.
And it's from Limburg or not?
It's Dutch.
From the Dutch Netherlands again?
Yes.
Ah, yes.
The Netherlands of the Dutch Republic.
Ah, yeah. Let's see then. And maybe just put them a little bit too close together.
You have to make a picture?
Yeah, I can make a picture.
Yeah.
Foto maken. So, explain.
This is made from potato. It's
Yeah.
like cut very weirdly, so it's like wrinkly chips.
You
Yeah.
made them.
It's really nice. Like
Yeah.
I made them by hand.
Yeah.
You just peel them first, cook them, then you fucking deep fry them and deep fry them again,
Ah,
and then you
yeah.
get this. Well, we made them in the oven with a bag.
Ah, okay. And this?
That is zuurvlees. Very nice dead animals.
Yeah.
It's really good for you.
Okay.
Ready? So,
Oh,
sorry.
sorry.
Can you get your hairy arm up my video?
Yeah, get your hairy arm off that video. So you just put some chips on there. And you put some of this stuff on. That. Nicely done. Bit more because it's really fucking good.
Yeah. And done.
And then you just put the mayo on top of that.
Oh.
And spread that around.
Yeah.
And eat it like that.
Okay.
Mara
Lekker.
probably doesn't.
So, I had a beer-related accident. As in, there was a crate here. Obviously. Like, why? Oh, why? Why would you not stack it there? Like, seen it happening in my head, and then just, like, hit a curb, and the whole crate just fell on the floor. These are my salvage beers, which are leaking everywhere. Good one, me. So, it's day 11. Just went to the supermarket. Didn't think I'd film that because all I do is go to the supermarket and film that. Obviously I had my little accident with the beers, but no panic. We saved them. And now I'm gonna make a roast because it's Sunday and I'm buzzing. So I've got chicken, pork, roast potatoes, cauliflower cheese, roast parsnips, roast carrot, roast pumpkin, Yorkshire puddings, which I must not forget. Maybe some stuffing and some gravy. So I'm basically going to be doing that all day. Pretty serious. Got the old apron on. So happy with this sauce. It's my cauliflower cheese sauce. And this is where we're at. Just gonna put the meat in. Bit red. It's now like a bit sweaty. Ooh, look at that shiny face. Oh, I think that's sun cream. I went in the hot tub earlier. We'll say it's that. Jesus. So it's like 3 hours later. Look like someone's dipped me in oil. And this is where, wow.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Barry. Horseradish, my meats, surprise meats. Kale, ready to go, gravy. And then we've got this in the oven. Right, the shiny head though. Crucial moment right now because everything's like gonna be ready at the same time. Plus I have one oven and like 12 different things. So I'm just trying to keep everything hot and cook everything at the same time. But it's Yorkshire pudding time, the most important time. This is my hot oil. Oh, where's the ladle? Butter in like so. Us.
My bottom crowd.
That's a lot of food. Play basketball.
Day 12.
Carl? Mangy Carl?
This is happening.
Yes! You gave away my case, but guess what? I spent 2 months in that apartment. I could recreate it in my sleep.
Have you slept?
No. What the? Is it weird that I missed the smell? You hear that? I spent 600 hours in this room and I've never heard that sound.
Is the air conditioning not been turned on? Comes from that vent.
Scotland,
Maybe Saudi takes
yeah, if I know the chopstick up to you.
They'll just eat with that.
Wow, Kana.
Wow.
Morning. I've gone for my walkies at the beach, my daily exercise, which is allowed, because really need to get out of the house. And also starting to get fat again because all we're doing is eating and drinking. Like, what was that massive roast sushi last night was insane. And it's like, oh, I should have a glass of wine, should have a few beers, yeah, might as well. Nothing else to do, is there? So I'm gonna try and do a bit of exercise every day for something to do. It's good for your mental health, good for your body. Yeah, just feel like I might feel a bit better if I do. If I at least go for a walk or something every day rather than just like waking up, doing nothing and starting to drink at like 3 p.m. It's probably not good, is it? A bit eerie, isn't it? Oh, I'm bored again. Shock. Oh, what's that? Oh, just a reflection. So we had some a little bit of mince left in the fridge. And some carrots, some potatoes, so I thought I'd make some pastry and make some Cornish pasties. Literally no reason why. But yeah, so we'll see how they turn out. Some carrots in here, onions, my pastry, which is just cooling in the fridge. And I didn't have room for the bowl, so it's just chilling there on its own. Got me filling. Nice and peppery. And then my perfectly equal and symmetrical squares. Who's cooking tonight?